Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Power the phone and ensure battery is above 20%. This prevents mid-process shutdown. Next, locate the SIM pack or log into your carrier account to retrieve the PUK code. Don't guess it. Once you have the PUK, unlock settings are under Security or Cellular. Make sure you're at the correct screen before entering codes. Now take a deep breath and proceed deliberately, because entering codes wrong can increase lock risk. You now enter the PUK exactly as given by the carrier. Type carefully and read each digit aloud if helpful. Once the phone accepts the PUK, it prompts you to create a new SIM PIN. Choose 4 to 8 digits that are secure but memorable. After setting the PIN, verify by locking and unlocking the SIM once more to confirm success. If the PUK is rejected, stop and contact your carrier, because additional wrong attempts may permanently disable the SIM. Once you've set the new PIN, confirm it works by toggling airplane mode or restarting the device. This ensures the unlock persists and the network recognizes the SIM. If you see network errors, update carrier settings and reboot again to refresh registration. If problems continue or the SIM reports permanent block, contact carrier for a replacement SIM or ask them to reset lock status. Remember, do not guess extra codes. Instead, escalate to carrier support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.